How to download Telegram app on your iPhone device. Are you guys facing issues to download Telegram app on your iPhone device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see a source icon. Click on it. Tap on search bar and search for Telegram. Now click on the second option, Telegram Messenger, where you can see the icon for Telegram. Click on it. Now tap on install button. Once you click on it, your app will start to download. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna install Telegram app on your iPhone device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.